Welcome to another edition to our daily market rundown series where we break down the key financial developments in the stock market as well as the global economy. In today's session, we will cover India's move to boost the global trade through the IMEC corridor, followed by its entry into the Hyperloop technology and NCC stock surge after securing a major BSNL order, and lastly, Godrej Enterprises' aggressive AC sales target. So let's dive right in. First up, kicking off with a major global trade development, let's talk about how the India-Middle East Economic Corridor, that is IMEC, could reshape India's position in the international commerce. India is set to reshape its trade strategy with the India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor IMEC, a multi-modal route enhancing connectivity between Asia and Europe while reducing the reliance on the Suez Canal. With the European Union accounting for $137.4 billion in trade and 12 to 15% of India's total exports, IMEC presents a strategic alternative to the 11,600 km sea route that faces risks like geopolitical conflicts and trade disruptions. The corridor consists of an eastern segment linking India to the Arabian Gulf and a northern segment connecting the Gulf to the Europe via Jordan and Israel. By cutting transit time by 40% and the cost by 30%, this IMEC could boost India's trade position and drive infrastructure development and counter China's Belt and Road Initiative. From global trade to futuristic transport, India is making waves with its ambitious Hyperloop project that could redefine the travel. Hyperloop technology, which allows pods to travel at 1200 km per hour inside low pressure tubes using magnetic levitation, promises to cut travel time by over 80% while being safer and less energy intensive than conventional trains and flights. IIT Madras, in collaboration with Hyperloop, is leading the research with support from the Ministry of Railways, along with corporate giants like L&T and Hindalco, with potential socio-economical benefits of 350,000 crore over the 30 years. Hyperloop could revolutionize logistics, clear out highways, and create 1.8 million high-tech jobs. However, challenges like high infrastructure cost, land acquisition hurdles, regulatory approvals, and technological readiness pose significant roadblocks for this venture. So, shifting focus to the stock market, NCC Limited saw a strong pickup of 6.6% after securing two major contracts worth Rs 10,800 crore from BSNL, nearly equal to its total market capitalization of Rs 12,800 crore. These orders cover network infrastructure development in Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh, and Daman and Diu with a 3-year construction and 10-year maintenance period. Despite this game-changing win, NCC's Q3 of financial year 25 showed a 12.1% year-on-year decline in net profits to Rs 205 crore and a drop in the EBITDA margins from 9.6 to 8.2, indicating near-term challenges for the company. However, the long-term revenue visibility provided by BSNL deal strengthens NCC's growth outlook, making it a key player in India's expanding infrastructure sector. Investors should closely monitor the financial impact of these projects in the coming quarters. Now, turning to the consumer appliances sector, Godrej, who is betting big on the aim for 50% sales growth in the AC segment. With rising air-conditioned demand, Godrej Enterprises has set a target of 50% sales growth in financial year 26, outpacing the industry projected 20 to 25% growth. After doubling its AC sales last year with 100% growth, the company is expanding its product lineup with innovative ideas like wood finish and marble series AC. Focusing on smart technology, Godrej has also introduced AI-powered ACs. While smart ACs remain low at 10 to 12%, the company aims to capture value-conscious Indian consumers by offering practical, technological-driven cooling solutions. So that's a wrap for today's daily market rundown from India's ambitious IMEC corridor and Hyperloop plans to NCC stock surge, and Godrej aim for 50% sales growth. There's a plenty shaping the market, so stay tuned to uncover.